Hello, good afternoon, sixth grade. I miss you guys already. Um, Real quickly, I just wanted to go over how to do the assignment for today because I've noticed that some people might be having some trouble. So when you get onto our Google Classroom, you should see this assignment right here for March 18th. You're going to click on that to open it. Um, Once you have that open, over here on the right side of the screen, you should see something that says Your Work. In that, I'm using Mrs. Poe as my example here, but you should have one here that says probably 2022, and then it should have your name following it. You're going to click on that document. Once you have that document open, you're going to read through it. You're actually going to type right onto this because, as you'll see at the top of your screen, it's specific for you. So if you type on this, it's not going to mess up my copy of it. It's a copy made just for you. So you're going to read through it, and then you're actually going to type right in these boxes. So you'll just end up typing, my family is mostly German. And you'll just kind of write out the answer to that question. Same thing for the question down here. You'll just erase the type here, and you'll just start telling your story. Once you have that done, you need to go back into our Google Classroom. Now that you've edited it, you need to turn it in. So you'll just push the turn in button. It's your copy there, so you'll just turn that in when you're finished. And it should say that on there, and then you're done. So make sure you just hit that turn in as well. That's really important. Other than that, make sure you read chapter 12 before you did that. If you have any comments, comment below here. Looks like Mark's already started, which is really awesome. I just wanted to give you that tidbit in case you are having problems getting that assignment completed. All right, have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.